So it is a tricky balance in the IT world for sure.
Yeah.
And more for us too.
Yes. And every business has its own need for that security in order to get through their day-to-day stuff. So yes.
But the geofencing is really good now, and it understands if you should be there and not letting other people in. And again, security is all about layers. So even if I'm concerned that maybe somebody's going to follow right behind me when I use my fancy Apple Watch to just walk up and wave, you can gesture now. I have the credential, I can gesture, and it'll unlock for me. Well, analytics can be your friend there and say, okay, somebody tailgated, and alert security or alert operations manager, whoever watches that, and they can immediately be alerted, see the video. Yeah, Tony did that again. I got to go to talk to Tony. Tony, you got to wait and swipe in. But, it's using all these technologies together always makes me feel good that, you can really very easily have a very secure situation, yet still kind of present that, frictionless experience that we all want.